Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the PowerPoint or Microsoft 365 app on your phone and signing in so files sync. Once done, find the presentation in Recent or OneDrive or import a local copy. Make sure you're in editing mode rather than reviewing, because that unlocks the animation and object controls. Tap a slide to load editing tools and switch the view to show animations or the ribbon menu. This gets you to the first actionable state: objects selectable, timelines accessible, and ready for animation work. You now select the object and tap Add Animation in the toolbar. This is where you choose entrance, emphasis, exit, or motion path effects. Then preview immediately to check flow. Phone previews mirror slide show behavior. Next, adjust timing by setting duration and delay so animations feel natural, and rearrange sequence using the animation pane or reorder controls. Make sure to use layer and grouping options when multiple objects move together, because grouping preserves relative positions and reduces repeated edits. You finish by running a full preview to confirm transitions and animation timing, and make adjustments until movement and audio sync. Once satisfied, save to OneDrive or export as a video or PPTX depending on your target. Choose video when sharing with non-editors. If animations behave differently on other devices, check format compatibility and use export to video for consistent playback. If things go wrong, reinstall or update the app, or open the file on desktop PowerPoint to identify unsupported mobile effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.